11.2 is about probability, and I have the formula for experimental probability up there, and it's number of times an event occurs over a number of trials. Really, what its probability comes down to what you want to happen over total number, always, no matter what, experimental, hypothetical, theoretical, whatever you're talking about. So if 60 vehicles in parking lot, 15 are trucks. What's the probability that the vehicle in the lot is a truck? So there's 15 trucks out of 60 total. So it's 15 over 60, which is about 0.25 or 25%. That's your probability. Example 3, what's the probability of each event? Getting a 5 on one row of a standard number cube. Again, what do you want to happen? Well, you want to get a 5, so that's one thing you can happen. Out of how many total numbers on a cube? It's 6, so probability is 1 over 6. So getting a sum of 5 on one roll of 2 number cubes. This kind of goes back to what we talked about last section. So there's 6 total outcomes on the first, and there's 6 total outcomes on the second. So there's 36 total outcomes of 2 number cubes. So what rolls are going to give me a sum of 5? Well, 1 and a 4 are going to give me a 5. A 2 and a 3 would give me a 5. Well, you could also have a 3 and a 2 and a 4 and a 1. So there's 4 total outcomes that are going to give me a sum of 5. So it's going to be 4 out of 36, which reduces to 1/9. Example 4, what is the theoretical probability of being dealt exactly 2 sevens in a 5-card hand from a standard 52-card deck? So again, this comes down to the probability of what you want to happen over the total number. So you want to find the probability of 2 sevens. Okay, so what I want to happen and what's my total number? Well, what I want to happen is I want to get 2 out of 4 total because there's 4 sevens. So the probability of getting 2 sevens is going to be 4C2. Now, I need 3 other random cards. It doesn't really matter. 3 other cards. We'll call them others. That's going to be 48 cards left. 52 minus 4 is 48. Combination of 3, because again, the order doesn't matter about that. That's what we want to have happen. So that's going to be my top, 4C2 times 48C3. That's going to be what I want to happen. Divided by my total number. Well, again, what's my total number? Well, it's 52 cards in a deck. Order doesn't matter, and we're getting 5 of them. Okay, so when I divide that out, figure it out on your calculator, that's about 0.0399, so roughly 4% chance of getting 2 sevens.